Okay. What we have here is a 2005 AMX4 Plus that was originally with a Carestream panel, and the external computer here, we've changed this to an IRAY panel now, and a used IRAY panel from 2018. And we changed the batteries in here. This thing is clean as a whistle. This AMX4 is just perfect. So we'll get that up, and we've got the DR IRAY software on here, and this is on the swivel. It'll go all the way around to work with the AMX4. So I will just set up a patient in here, and I will put a hand in. I'll bring a couple down. We'll say okay. We'll just show you it taking a picture. So I will bring a panel, a used IRAY panel over. And I've got this at 56 and 1/6 mass. And back off here and take an image. There's battery. We replaced the battery in as a supply for this computer also. So if you lose power, it will hold the power on there. And there. Our image. Okay, so beautiful AMX4 Plus, 2000. Let me check on the year on the panel.
On the panel?
Yep, 2018. Kind of 2018. And there it is. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger for the DR panel. AMX4, everything you see here, perfect condition. I mean, it's the cleanest one we've seen, so ready to go. And if you got any questions, let us know, please. Thank you.